Welcome back, guys. So what I'm doing right now is laid out, obviously. I'm gonna put my subframe in. Got it cleaned up for the most part, as much as I wanted to. I am gonna rebuild my rack because I believe it's leaking. I'm gonna ride it like that and see if it starts leaking. If it leaks, then I'm gonna rebuild it. Alright, so that's what I got right now is my rack, control arms, spindles, tie rod ends, rack, sway bar link. Alright, so as of right now, I'm rolling it under the car because I can't carry it under the car. So right now I got it teeter-tottering on the jack. I'm gonna roll it under the car, and it actually bolts up to these brackets here, and then there's one on that side, and it basically hangs studs down here and on that side. So I'm gonna bolt it up, tying it down, and then I'll get back to y'all. Alright guys, so I did get the subframe up and I got the nuts ran down. I looked up the specs. It actually calls for 80 to 90 foot-pounds. I'm gonna do about 85 because it's right in the middle. And then I'm gonna check all my front end bolts too. So that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. Alright, so now I'm going to be checking the control arm bolts on the subframe on both sides. It is 94 foot-pounds. Alright, so as y'all can tell, those are tight. So now I'm gonna do these braces that come across right here, and they go up to here, and then the sway bar bolts up to that. So that's what I'm gonna do next. So my battery did die, so I had to go get my charger, which I have connected here. But I did get those Crossmember brackets on there. So on these Crossmember, there's two bolts on the radiator support on both sides. These two is 94 foot-pounds. And then back here where the sway bar's at, this one right here is 94. And then the two holding the sway bar and the actual crossmember itself, this one holds both of them. This one's a stud on the support. But these two back here are 34 foot-pounds. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to torque all these down. That way I'll know they're good. So alright, so in that last clip, I was tightening down those, what is it, the subframe, I don't know what they're called, supports, crossmember supports, I don't know. But I was tightening down. The FSM says 80 to 94. I was trying to do 94. and it seemed like it was just too tight because it would spin, and I didn't want to strip it out, so I was just like, you know what, I'm just gonna go down with the lesser number. So what I ended up doing is 85, and they torqued down fine. I wouldn't advise 94. I know I said that in the video, but I would not advise 94. Anyways, that's pretty much it for this video. The only other thing I could have done would be my tension rods, but I'm getting new ones because my wheels actually hit on these tension rods here when I turn. So I'm gonna get some curved ones, that way it'll clear. And when I get that part in, I'll actually show y'all what I was talking about. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up for me. If you want to see more, subscribe button, y'all know where it's at. And share it so others can enjoy it also, if y'all don't mind. All right, peace.